Hey, I'm Katie with WTI. And isn't it crazy what just a fresh coat of paint and some new hardware can do in elevating the look of any piece of furniture? And we found these beautiful oil rubbed bronze handles by Koofizo. Even though this vanity is cheap, I really liked the lines of it and I wanted to keep that vintage feel. So even though this hardware is new, it looks vintage. It looks like it came with the vanity, but it's just so fresh looking. These were incredibly easy to install. All you need is a screwdriver. And this company really cares about their product. They want to make sure that you get the product intact without any damage. I was really impressed by the packaging. Even though I only got a 10-pack, they were all individually placed in styrofoam, so you wouldn't have to worry about them banging together and getting any dings along the way. If you're looking for quality hardware that comes from a company who really cares about what you're getting, then check out Koofizo. I would definitely recommend them. And that's my point of view.